we are solving the problem of a very specific market, that is forex trading, which is trading with large leverage and on large margin. The problem is that many developed countries have established regulation for that, like US, Europe, United Kingdom. But other countries where this trading is especially popular, like China, like Russia, like Indonesia, like India, they have no regulation at all. And what this leads to is that the companies in these countries, the forex trading companies, are usually viewed as scam. Because what they do is they take money from a client as a trading deposit, they try and open the trade, and then they manipulate the quotes history so that the client basically loses all their money in a moment, and they say, sorry, that was the market conditions, you've lost everything, goodbye. And these traders basically have no way to appeal to this, because in the countries they usually trade with offshore brokerages, and basically they're registered some island in the middle of nowhere, and no one knows who their owners are, so basically they take the money, they disappear, and that's all. That's it, and it leads to even large brokerages losing trust of their clients. That's the problem that we are trying to solve. At the same time, the volumes of this market are really huge. In China alone, there are like several thousand brokerages, and there are multi-billion turnovers daily, and the circulation of funds is enormous in this market. So we decided that the best way to prove that someone is trading fair is to use blockchain for that. So we decided to use blockchain to solve this problem. What we do is we hold the funds of traders on smart contracts and use blockchain to record all the history of communication between the brokerage and the client. And in the case a client suspects that the brokerage doesn't play fair, they can appeal to us, and we will make an investigation using the data that we have recorded in the blockchain, which we are 100% sure that it wasn't manipulated by anyone, and then we can make a decision, an informed decision, which we can prove that is right. And if we decide that the brokerage is indeed wrong, then we can reimburse the client, basically refund the money that they put into the broker by leveraging the power of the smart contract that we have at the back end. So that's the general scheme of how everything works. But you might ask, why would brokerages need it? Why would they want us to control them? Why do they need it? The answer is simple. For the small brokerages, that's the real problem, the problem of trust, that large clients do not want to invest into them. They will go to someone bigger, because they think that the bigger brokerage is more likely to be honest. That's why small brokerages need us. When they attract clients through us, they can prove to them that they are playing fair, that they are willing to share all the history, that they are willing to prove that they won't scam the client. And the clients are surely like it. They like that they have the guarantees that their money will not be lost. We are conducting an ICO to finance this system. Our token is a utility token which will be used to pay for our services. So we are now selling it on ICO with a great discounts, and after the ICO we will accept it as a payment for our services for its nominal price. And the tokens that were used to get our services will be burned and destroyed, thus reducing the total supply on the market. And every new client who comes to us who didn't participate in the ICO, they will have to get the token somewhere, so this will guarantee that there will be constant demand for the tokens on the exchanges. So, and how will we earn money? The main source of funds will be the commission fee that we charge for each deposit that goes through us. Basically, when a client opens an account with a brokerage, they pay a certain percentage. We think that is 1%, just 1%, that's not really small, not really big, to guarantee that their money will not be lost. We will also offer additional packages of services for some of the brokerages, including additional cryptocurrency liquidity and other services. Also, according to our calculations, this system will be able to bring a lot of additional liquidity to the cryptocurrency industry itself. Because right now, the average monthly deposit amounts for forex industry is bigger than 1 billion. So if we can get a hold into it, if we can get even 10%, that would mean additional 100 million liquidity for cryptocurrencies, because our system means that the clients would need to buy some cryptocurrency to open an account in their forex brokerage and trade with them. At the same time, it will mean that the cryptocurrency enthusiasts who are holding some tokens now, they can use them to open an account at a traditional brokerage and basically trade on the traditional instruments, from currencies, from fiat currencies to assets like oil, gas, well, sugar and everything else that these brokerages allow to trade. We calculated that the monthly income from the commission would amount to like 500,000 monthly. Our team has one of the important points of our project is our team, because the whole of the team is forex experts. We have 10 years of average experience on the forex market, and combined our team has more than 100 years experience. So we know all the ins and outs of that market, we know how scammers work, what we should monitor to stop them, how should we promote this project to the clients, how we should promote the project to the brokerages. And in fact, we have already got a lot of appraisal from the brokerage community, because these are the companies that are widely known at the forex market and that have already stated that they support our project, that they want to work with us, that they want us to protect their clients from the, to guarantee to their clients that there are no scammers. Right now we have finished the pre-ICO stage and now starting the second closed pre-ICO round, and the open ICO round will be started in January. Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Questions?
Okay, so as I understand, you're gonna work on Ethereum blockchain, right?
Yes, that's where we're gonna start. Yeah. But probably if we will face its limitations, then we will move something else. It's just the most obvious ways to start. Most obvious ways to start.
Okay, because I have a question. You said that it's free of charge services on your platform for clients and brokers.
No. I just said that we charge 1% of the deposit of the clients. That's what we. That's the source of our income.
Well, okay.
So the services are indeed free for brokerages, but not for clients.
At what stage your relationships with those brokerages that are supporting your system? Any LOIs, preliminary contracts, or something, always just discussions?
Yeah, they all stated they would work with us when our system is up and running. At this moment, we have certain components of the system already ready, like automated analysis of trading. We get the quotes history from more than 600 brokerages, and we can automatically determine if a trade looks correct or not, for example. And by January, by the start of the open ICO, we aim to have MVP and MVP ready with one or several of the brokerages already participating.
So the first forwards on Ether is getting launched around 18th of December. But the forward, apart from forward, the ETFs are not being regulated, and they haven't got any permission for any hedge fund to do any ETF on the cryptocurrency, apart from Chicago doing it on Bitcoin. How are you working with regulators to do, you did talk about a part of commodity trading too.
You see, the main target, main audience is in the countries where there is no official regulation of this business. It's not really trading of commodities per se, so it's not like you buy commodity or sell commodity. It's so-called CFDs, that's a contract for future difference, so it's the difference in price that is being traded. So there are a lot of brokerages, which is our main audience. There are like thousands of them who are not regulated, who are registered on some island, and who work with the citizens of countries which have no strong governmental regulation of this thing. And there are billions of dollars in this world. So yeah, US is probably not a market for us.
And one more question. Your first milestone is 2 millions, and second milestone 5 millions. Why do you need $3 million for implementing KYC? Is it so expensive for you, and why?
Well, each stage, the stages are, we have these gaps in the stages because we always include the additional sales and marketing efforts. So basically, that's one of the main problems that we need to solve is to regain the trust of clients, and this will need a lot of these activities, marketing and sales, because right now the clients, when they hear the word Forex, they just drown and they don't believe in this. So that's what we need to fight. That's what one of the main challenges we need to meet as part of this project.
Okay, thank you very much.